are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty.
Alright, y'all, it's your girl, Official Keela, back again with another motherfucking video. And today, we are doing a wig restore on my pink wig that was just sitting in a ball in the corner of my bathroom closet. So I decided to give her a little oomph and give her some life. So here we go. And this first clip you see, we are combing all the naps out. We gotta get the naps out. Like, the naps can't be in there at all. Then we gonna boil the hair so that all the glue that is on the frontal can come completely off. And then, yeah. And while we boiling the water, there in the water is 4 pumps of conditioner. And then we basically stir the little conditioner around so that it can get everywhere or whatever. Then we dip the freshly brushed, combed out wig into the water. Yes, it's colored. No, I did not think that shit through because the color of the wig actually faded. But it actually look even cuter now. So I'm not really pressed about the fact that the brown actually came out completely. And half the wig is back to blonde. Or like a real pastel pink to the point where you would think it's blonde. But it's not blonde, it's pink. So after we let the wig boil for a good 30 minutes or so, we're going to wash it out. We're going to do 4 washes and 2 conditioners. I say 2 conditions because the wig is already sitting in conditioner when you boiling it. So and conditioner basically makes your hair soft and easier to work with. But with a frontal, you can't do that. Like, the hair follicles will get real soft and real slippery to the point where they will start. It'll look like the wig is shedding, and it's not shedding at all. And that's what we don't want. We don't want a shedding ass looking wig. You know what I'm saying? We don't want our shit to come out thin. So we're going to take our time and we're going to do it right. And when we blow dry it, which you're not going to really see for real. Like, you see me blow drying it, but as far as like blow drying it, no, I'm not going to do that. Like, that's too much work. I had that motherfucker sitting inside of a towel with the blow dryer sitting inside of there. Like, it's an overhead dryer or something. I really need to invest in one of those. Yeah, so after I washed and blow dried the wig, I basically seen that it was hella shit wrong with the wig, and nobody literally pointed the shit out. Motherfuckers literally let me walk around like this, and that's crazy. I went to a whole club shaking ass and all. Wig fucked up. Nobody said nothing. So, as you can see, I got this big ass tail of hair at the bottom of my shit. And nobody thought to say anything about that. And on top of that, my little cousin helped me. My little cousin helped me cut the back of my wig because I cut the wig while it was still on my head because I didn't like how thin it was. So I'm like, you know what? I'm finna cut this shit. And I had my little cousin help me. And that shit, and now that I see, girl, baby, that shit was all type of uneven. For one, it was uneven. 2, I had a whole raccoon's tail in the back of my head. Like what the fuck? So, now you know, if you want something done right, you gotta do that shit your damn self. And yeah, so after I finished fixing up the cutting and stuff, I actually went in and I flat ironed it. and bumped it a little bit to give it that little Etna groove, you know, when you say I got that still love. Let me stop playing. But that concludes this video for today, guys. Love you. Stay tuned. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And don't forget to give positive, constructive feedback. I love it. Have a good day.